Hello, my name is Zach Cagle. I'm the Marketing Product Specialist for mid-range, utility, and high horsepower tractors. Today I want to show you around the 47, the 57, the 67 Global Series platform tractors. These tractors are real workhorses. As we look at them today, you'll notice that they're all built very heavy duty. In fact, some of them are over-engineered in the best possible way. The 4700 Global Series uses a 3.3 liter AGCO power engine. The 57 and the 67 both run a 4.4 liter AGCO power engine. The 4700 is made up of 4 models. The 4707 at 70 horsepower, the 4708 at 80, the 4709 at 90, and the 4710 at 100 engine horsepower. The 5700 series features a 5710 at 100 horsepower, a 5711 at 110 horsepower, while the 6700 series features 2 models, one at 6712, which is 120 engine horsepower, and the 6713 at 130 engine horsepower. All 3 tractors utilize a SCR system, which is DEF fluid. They also use a diesel oxidation catalyst. The only tractor out of the lineup that doesn't use this system is the 4707. It utilizes a diesel oxidation catalyst and external gas recirculation to meet Tier 4 final emissions requirements. The Global Series tractors come standard with a 12x12 hydraulic shuttle transmission. The 12x12 transmission features a high and a low. Each side has 6 gears. So on the high side you've got 6 gears, and on the low side you've got 6 gears. The hydraulic shuttle on these tractors is all the same. You're able to shuttle forward or shuttle backwards and never touch the clutch, making loader work or just going forward and working out in the barnyard a breeze. You never have to use the clutch to change direction. These tractors are super easy to use. They can be set up in low profile configurations with lower to the ground tires, where we can make it into orchards, vineyards, and all kinds of things where low clearance is needed. Also, the 4700 is a great poultry tractor if we set it up with low profile configuration. You can pull a litter windrower in there or a bedder, whatever we need to do to maintain those chicken houses. The Global Series is also great for hay production. We can put these tractors out into hay production. They're great for pulling round balers, rakes, tedders, mowers. Depending on the horsepower requirement you need, we can go from 70 all the way up to 130. Let me tell you about the front axle on the Global Series. All 3 series run a Dana front axle. These axles are built very heavy duty, whether it be heavy work with a front end loader or we need to ballast them heavy on the front end. Our front axle is heavy duty. We don't have to worry about it giving us issues. Also, a nice thing about the front axle on the Global Series is the maneuverability of the tractor. The turning radius is great on these tractors, so when we're working around the barn or we're in a tight area, we can turn that tractor around on a dime. Global Series tractors can be equipped with or without a loader. We offer several different loader options for our Global Series tractors. We offer an X Series, which is our medium duty loader. The X Series can be equipped with a non-self-leveling system or a self-leveling system, your preference. We also offer an FL Series loader for our Global Series. The FL Series loader is a heavy-duty loader. It also comes standard with soft drive. Soft drive is going to help you when you're carrying heavy loads across a pasture or down the road. It'll provide just a little bit of shock as you're going across the pasture, meaning less bumpiness on your tractor and your front axle. All of these loaders can be equipped with or without a third function. So if you want to run a grapple or a bell squeeze or anything that requires hydraulic flow to the front of your loader, we can equip your loader with a third function diverter valve. Out of the 3 series of tractors, the 4700 has a slightly different platform. It's mounted just a little bit lower, meaning that we have a semi-flat platform with a hump in the middle. Whereas here you see the 57 and 6700 series have a fully flat platform. Our Global Series all have a common dash and steering wheel column. They all feature tilt steering. They also have the left-hand power control lever with the ability to adjust shuttle aggressiveness here. So if we're going forward and we get ready to go in reverse, we throw it in reverse. This is how we adjust how quickly or how slowly we change directions. We also have our throttle here on the right hand, our headlights and work lights here, our flashers, and our machine information readout buttons. The 57 and 6700 series feature the same right-hand control panel. Here we have our 3-point up and down switch. We have our draft control. We have our rate of drop, and we also have our maximum height here. Over here, you'll be able to control the position of your 3-point linkage. Then we have our PTO on, off, and brake. This is our differential lock and our 4-wheel drive engagement. Here we have our 2 rear remote controls. Here we have our 540, 540E, and 1000 PTO control. And here we have our 26 gallon per minute hydraulic combining switch. This is our 1 through 6 gear selector, as well as our D-clutch button. This really helps out when roading tractors or working in the field. Let's say we're in first gear and we're ready to change to second gear. We don't have to press the clutch with our left foot. All we have to do is press the D-clutch button, pull the gear selector into second gear, let off the D-clutch button, and the tractor will grab another gear. Now let me show you the right-hand control panel.